Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove or add the Learn More About This Picture option on your desktop in Windows 11, so let's dive right in. Open Settings, go to Personalization, and in the Background section, change your desktop background from Windows Spotlight to Picture. This is how easy it is to show or hide the Learn More About This image icon on your Windows 11 desktop when you have Windows activated. In Windows 11, if your copy of Windows is not activated, you may notice that the Personalize Your Background option is grayed out in the Personalization settings. This means you won't be able to change the desktop background from the default Windows Spotlight setting. I'll show you another method as a workaround to get rid of the Learn More About This Picture icon on your desktop. There's a simple registry hack to hide the Learn More About This Picture icon on your Windows 11 desktop. Navigate to the registry settings. I have included the path in the video description for copying and pasting. Now create a new DWORD value. Use the second provided text. Double-click on it to edit the data, enter one and press the Enter key. After completing the registry modification, right-click anywhere on your desktop and choose the Refresh option. Following this desktop refresh, the icon will vanish from your computer's desktop. To unhide it, set the value back to 0 or remove the key. Well, that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.